The oil and gas industry is a powerhouse of productivity, but at every stage of the value chain, production can be adversely impacted by iron. In oil and gas systems, iron is exposed to changes in pH, temperature, and oxidation. If left unchecked, iron can wreak havoc on oilfield systems, forming stubborn deposits that increase corrosion and reduce flow rates. And let's face it, downtime equals dollars. Leveraging its unique manufacturing platform, Solugen has developed Verza360, a series of bio-based solutions that address iron control in oil and gas systems. Verza360 solutions bind with iron to create water-soluble solutions that remediate or prevent blockages caused by the buildup of iron deposits or emulsions. When compared to traditional chelants, Verza360 is more cost-effective pound per pound, has a higher affinity for ferric iron, a lower affinity for divalent cations to mitigate bonding interference with iron, is effective over a wide pH range, and acts as a synergist with other oilfield additives to boost performance. To showcase Verza360's iron chelation ability against common chelants like EDTA and THPS, a forced iron precipitation test is used. When caustic is introduced to a series of both treated and untreated solutions of iron chloride, the solution treated with Verza360 remains soluble, while the others precipitate out. Laboratory studies conducted against EDTA and THPS and fracking-produced waters have demonstrated Verza360's superior iron chelation capacity, providing 2 to 3 times improvement in performance at the same dose rate. Thanks to the efficiency and scalability of Solugen's manufacturing process, Verza360 also boasts a favorable environmental profile relative to its petrochemical-based counterparts. It delivers an over 99% reduction in carbon footprint for every kilogram of product manufactured. Verza360 emerges as a preferred alternative to these widely used chelants, offering high performance and cost-effectiveness with a lower carbon footprint. Solugen is reimagining oil and gas solutions today with novel technology produced locally in Houston, Texas. For more information about how Solugen's products can help decarbonize your operations without sacrificing performance, visit our website or email us to chat with one of our experts directly.